I talk about inflammation often and how mushrooms can lower the inflammation. There is a new discovery out that a Taiwanese forest fungus fights inflammation and halts cancer cells. So let's dive into this week's juicy news. So a newly discovered natural compound sourced from a fungus that's historically only been found lodged in trees in Taiwan, used for pharmaceutical potential. So this blocks inflammation signals, presses pause on proliferation of cancer cells. There's a whole research group at the Taiwan University has uncovered this potent new compound in a rare medicinal mushroom, only found in specific trees that is from the camphor family. But yeah, it's actually an endangered stout camphor tree. And they've been cultivating this fungus to actually help as a medicinal aspect. So this fungi was grown and cultivated in ammonium sulfate rich environment, which caused it to produce some sort of SPF called sulfated polysaccharides. So these are sugar chains with like biological activity. So the key compound found in this research, in this paper, in this fungus was N50 F2. So a sulfated galacto-glucan made of glucose and galactose. So what does this N50 F2, like what is this, a transformer name? We got anti-inflammatory action. So blocks key pathways for signaling, inflammation, reduces the cytokinins and enzymes that drive inflammation specifically. And this could help protect tissues from chronic diseases that are related to this type of damage. There's also, not just lowers inflammation, but also anti-cancer properties as well. So this stops the cell growth in several cancers, but specifically lung cancer cells. Triggers apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, if you know anything about chemistry or human anatomy. This functions as a dual action therapeutic candidate, so it's both calming, like inflammation reducing, but also slows tumor growth. So combined, is this a super fungus or what? And again, this is a cultivated mushroom that's been now found on this endangered tree in Taiwan. So now we can utilize this and kind of extract it and use it more for medicine. And, again, I talk about lowering inflammation all the time because of my RA, and I've been doing it up with the reishi and the chaga, the turkey tail. But yeah, this is just in August this year. So the future uses for this, would be potential for health supplements, clinical cancer treatments. And so, yeah, we're pretty much trying to mass produce the N50 F2. So, yeah, research is still pretty early on, but it looks like this research study is making headway. So can't believe that researchers in Taiwan have discovered a new bioactive compound from a rare fungus that fights inflammation and cancer. Really bridging the gap between traditional medicine and modern biotech. So yeah, this could lead to future cancer therapies and supplements. Would you use this mushroom? Would you give it a try? I will post the study down below so you can click away and look at this because this is really interesting. I'm all about lowering inflammation one mushroom at a time. Comment down below if you would try this mushroom, if you want me to do more of these deep dives into some juicy news articles. Thank you, Kevin, for sending me this article in. Yeah, if you have any articles that you want me to kind of digest for you, send them to florafungapodcast.com. And yeah, please subscribe to the podcast. If you don't like getting down and nerdy and plants with fungi, why are you even watching this? But second of all, subscribe and you will be on the list for me to send out this mushroom whenever I have utilized it and put in a tincture for everybody. So subscribe and I will send it to you. Have a great week, my scientists, and go learn something new today. Bitches.